Hello everyone, welcome back to Mike's Online Biz Insights channel. Today we are diving into the wealthy affiliate pricing. So if you are thinking about joining but you are not sure about the pricing structure and what is inside of each bundle, stick around as I'll walk you through the different membership options and what each one offers. But before we dive into the pricing, let me briefly mention that Wealthy Affiliate just currently changed their homepage and they have introduced this feature where you can search for an idea about your business, about your niche. So in case you know generally about your niche but you are not sure about the specific path, this feature is a great to brainstorm some ideas. So let me just write down, let's say coffee, and let's click on a search to see what can we get. Let's say I want to go a bit more specific. Coffee table, search. Eco-friendly coffee tables, multifunctional coffee tables. These are great topics. I would never thought about them. Let's choose the luxury coffee tables. And once you click on choose, you need to sign up. You can now sign up with your existing Google account. Confirm. And once you're inside of the dashboard, you are already part of the Wealthy Affiliate. So you don't need your credit card, and this is the starter membership. So when it comes to pricing, you have three options, meaning the starter membership, as I just showed you, and I will walk you a bit through it. Then you have the premium and premium plus. With the starter membership, you will get one practice website, you will get one business hub. You have also access to a Jaxi starter. Jaxi is a keyword research tool, and you have also limited help and support. Let me show you the hub. By the way, once you sign up, you will get a free message from a Kyle. Kyle is a co-founder of the Wealthy Affiliate. You can read the message later on. So let me go to the hubs. And as we can see here, we have already our niche chosen, meaning luxury coffee tables, and we have already the website ready. This is a practice website that the domain goes luxurycoffeetables.siderubics.com. So this is the website you can utilize. You can start to work on it. And there are 4 phases of first class that you can go through. Training over here. It explains how the Make Money online process works. The second one will be the class about publishing your first post, and then level up. Always you can view the training over here. It's a video training that includes some information in a text form, and on the right hand side you have the comments that other members left within the class. As you go over here, you have the affiliate program opportunities. When you click on the design coffee tables, over here you will see that the affiliate programs are loading. Right below you have some website content and structure. You have already inspiration for 5 posts that you can publish on your practice website. And once you're happy with the process and with the training, you can unlock the rest of it by upgrading, and for 40 bucks a month you can get the real.com domain, where you will have also 10,000 work credits per month. That means that you will be able to create the content using the AI. In other words, it leverages the AI and the ChatGPT. You just write some prompts and the articles will be ready within minutes. You have access to a weekly expert classes, core training. There are 40 classes, 3 websites, 3 full business hubs, Jaxi, that's a keyword research tool, as I mentioned, and also unlimited help and support that is very fast. Having a website requires also some support. Please note that there always will be some issues, like you cannot access the website or some other issues. And once you reach out to support, within the minutes they'll provide you with the feedback, and in most cases the issue is solved within 5 minutes. And the support is 24/7. Regardless of your location on the planet, you will always have the access to the support. So you can choose a yearly billing. The price will be $42 a month, and if you choose monthly billing, it will be $49 per month. And within the premium membership, as I mentioned, you have 3 hubs that you can work. These are basically 3 different websites or 3 different businesses. You have access to the classes. Within each hub, you have access to a training with the 40 classes, and these 40 classes are enough to get your online business up and running. When it comes to your niche, you have some blog ideas, unique content ideas, and all of these are within your niche that you have chosen in the beginning. If you want to reach out to support, you simply go to help, site support, you create a new ticket, you go through the questionnaire, and they will be back to you within a minute. So this is a comprehensive training for all levels, and it's basically all in one platform to scale your business. You can even upgrade and get a premium plus, where you will have the 2 free domains, 10,000 word credits, and you have even access to expert classes, the same training for the classes as with the premium membership, but you have the advanced YouTube expert training, advanced SEO expert training, and some more advanced trainings. You can get up to 10 websites, 10 full business hubs, and also the Jexy Enterprise fast version of the Jexy Lite that is available with the premium membership. And again, unlimited help and support and 24/7 website support. So whether you choose the premium or premium plus, it doesn't matter. Premium is great for a serious affiliate marketers, and the premium plus is already for those ones that want to go big. As you have seen, the starter is great for the beginners that just want to test the waters. They want to know whether the platform works for them, because as you know, there's no perfect platform, so it's better to test it out, and you have a chance to test the Wealthy Affiliate out for free, and you can click on the link below where you can test the starter membership. But as I mentioned, if you are serious about affiliate marketing and this is something you want to do in the long term, it's better to upgrade for a premium for $49 per month, or if you decide to go yearly, the price is lower. It's only about $41.50 per month. I believe the price is very reasonable, and the amount of training and the amount of support you get, the $41 a month is just bargain. So there you have it, the Wealthy Affiliate pricing structure. So whether you're just starting out or you want to scale your business, there's something for everyone. Again, if you are interested, check out the starter membership. It's free to see if it is good for you. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be happy to provide you with a feedback within a few hours. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.